Outstanding design defines the 2017 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call